We are excited to show you our new Zen Home and Wellness products. These products are designed to bring wellness into the comfort of your home. Our indoor water fountain collection has expanded with some great new designs. Bring the soothing sound of moving water to your home or office. Demand for our Zen decor has exploded this year, so we've added some new products that will look amazing in your home. Find that missing centerpiece and add a unique touch to any room. Our best-selling Himalayan salt lamp collection has grown. Take a look at our new designs, all made from real Himalayan pink salt. The soothing amber glow brings a calming warmth to any room. If you practice meditation, we have gorgeous new meditation cushions that are handmade by artisans in India. If you haven't tried it, meditation is a great way to relieve stress and stay spiritually grounded. Check out our website or catalog to see all of our new Zen Home and Wellness products.